Okay guys, today I'm going to show you an easy way to make money online. And literally only skill that you need is creativity. You just need to be creative and that's it. And only tool that you need is internet connection. And I know that some of you will ask me, well, can I do this on my smartphone? Yes, you can do this on your smartphone. And some of you will ask me, well, is this available worldwide? Yes, it is available worldwide. So no matter where you live, you can still do this. So with that being said, let's start. So what you need to do, you need to go on a website called MindSumo. So what MindSumo is? MindSumo is a website that connects companies and startups with the creative people. As you can see here, problem solvers. So if you are creative, if you are problem solver, and especially if you are a college student, this is a great opportunity for you because by working with some companies here on MindSumo, you can actually get a full-time job for that company. And when you scroll here, you will see that they actually work with some really big companies like Avon, Pepsi, Delta, Shell, IBM, Yahoo, John Deere, and so on, which means this is a trusted website. And how much potential this website have? Well, when you go on leaderboard, MindSumo leaderboard, you will see that this guy here, Matthew, he earned $25,000. Pedro, almost $10,000. Carl, $7,500. Miles, $7,000, and so on and so on. And when you go here, you will see there is 277 pages of people who earned money on this website. And this guy here, Matthew, he didn't even earn, he is actually not the top earner. He is only currently a top earner. There are people who earned even more money, who earned $50,000, $60,000 on this website. So what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on login, sign up, okay? And then you click here, don't have an account yet, click here, and you need to register, add your first name, last name, add your location, email, password, date of birth, gender, populate all of these fields here, confirm that you are not a robot, click sign up, confirm your email, and you will register for a free account as a problem solver. And when you go back here and scroll here, you can see available jobs, available problems. For example, this one here, what food trends will emerge and fade away in 2023? And here you can see active all My Dojo, those are your jobs that you actually applied for. Here you can see some categories. And if you are, for example, you will see there are lots of food related tasks. So if you are passionate about food, you like cooking, there will be no problem for you. But if you are not that passionate about cooking, well, you can still actually make money with this. For example, when I click here, I will see more data about this job. Here you can see their reward fund is $1,600. Currently, 15 people submitted their ideas, their thoughts, what trends will emerge in 2023 about food. There is currently 21 days left for you to send your own opinion. Here you can see description, here you can see conditions that you need to do in order to be successful, in order for your suggestion to be think of. And when you find a solution, when you find, you can still click here, start drafting your idea. And here you can see top 5% will share $1,000. Next 7.5 will share $400 and next 12.5 will share $200. So almost certainly you will make money with this, especially considering there is only 15 people who actually submitted their opinion. Well, if you are thinking, well, I'm not that passionate about food, so how can I actually come with a solution for this problem, with the idea what foods will be trending in 2023? So what you can do is you can simply copy food trends, okay, copy this, and you can simply go on Google, paste that, and then say 2023, okay? Press enter, and here you can see some websites are already predicting what foods will be trending in 2023. So what you need to do, you can simply open this website here and you can check it out to see what they think will actually be trending in a food niche in next year. And you need to go back after you read all of this. You need to go back here, read this article, this article here, and after you finish that, what you need to do, you need to type here food trends 2022 and then press enter. And again, you need to open, for example, this article here and go through all of these articles and then simply compare what foods are trending this year and then compare that with these foods here. And based on that, you will make your own opinion, your own assumption, because that is exactly what they are asking for. They are basically asking for your assumption what foods will be trending next year. Like I said, based on this research, you will see what foods will be trending. Now, another thing that you can do is you can also go on Quora. And you can see here on Quora, did anybody already asked that question here? So what you can type here, food trends 2023, and then press enter. And then what you need to do, you need to scroll here and click, for example, past year. And here you'll see what food trends will emerge and fade away in 2023. So somebody is actually working on this task. As you can see here, they literally just copy and paste this. What food trends will emerge and fade away in 2023? Okay, and when you go here, that is exactly the same question. So let me just open this to see did anybody actually answered. And here you can see some people already answered on this question. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to ask that question on Quora. If somebody already didn't ask that, just click here, add a question, and you should ask that same question on Quora. And like I said, this is exactly the same, this task. Somebody wish to apply for this job and potentially to make $1,000 from this task on MindSumo by asking this question on Quora. Like I said, some people already answered on this question. Now, another thing that you can do is you can go on Reddit and you can ask that question here. For example, ask Reddit. You can see that this subreddit has 36 million members. And what you can do is here you can see there are people who are asking all kinds of questions here. So what you can do is you can simply click here and you can ask the same question. Just copy this and then paste that here as a title. And you can say, I'm a college student, I'm doing research for my essay, so can somebody please can somebody please help me and then ask this question, okay? And people will start answering on your question. Like I said, 36 million members this subreddit have, and there are lots and lots of questions here. Some are good, some are bad, some are interesting, some are weird. And like I said, these questions are getting tons and tons of answers. You can also find subreddits related to food. So for example, just type here food, okay, food, press enter, click here on communities, and here you can see food, 22 million members. Just go through these subreddits and start asking your question in these subreddits here. And if you ask on subreddit, ask on Quora, and if you do a research on Google, you will actually get lots and lots of high quality material that will help you to make a good answer, a good assumption, what foods will be trending and what foods will emerge, what foods will be trending in 2023. Now, as you can see, this really is easy way to make money online. You will literally spend just 30 minutes per day to do a basic research on Google and to ask questions on Quora and to ask questions on Reddit and to read the answer. Literally 30 minutes per day. And after you finish that, just go back here and you can apply for other jobs as well. Here you can see there is lots of food related tasks. And here you can see there is also economy, banking, insurance. Here you can see if you are mechanical engineering student, here you can see help us design a more efficient chassis for a heavy duty vehicle. So like I said, if you're mechanical engineer student, this is great for you because you can apply for this. And if you have a good idea, this company will actually hire you as a full-time engineer when you finish your college. So this is a great opportunity for college students as well. Use it, do not miss it. So like I said, this is an easy way to make money online.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.